from a glance of the topic, okay? Deepening pervasive broadband penetration for driving economic and social transformation. Okay? The three keywords there are pervasive broadband, 2, digital financial inclusion, and social and economic transformation. So you know, that's the thread of the presentation. We know what is happening in the financial inclusion subsector of the economy managed by the CBN, and we know the role that pervasive broadband can play by digitalizing the processes of financial services. So there is an important connect here between the regulatory role of the Central Bank of Nigeria in the area of driving financial inclusion strategy, as well as the role of the NCC, pervasive broadband infrastructure that will host these services everywhere to all peoples, no matter their locations or their circumstances. So therein lies, you know, the thrust of the presentation I made today, highlighting what we are doing in the area of driving deployment of broadband infrastructure, as well as the cooperation we have in place between the CBN and the NCC, also in driving the federal government's financial inclusion strategy of making 80% of Nigerians financially inclusive, according to the reviewed digital financial inclusion strategy, you know, that is in force at the moment.